Seraphine Jewelry Reviews Legit or Scam? Seraphine Jewelry Reviews Legit or Scam? Seraphine Jewelry is an online retailer that offers fashion and fine jewelry at discounted prices. But before buying, it's important to know, is Seraphine Jewelry legit, or is it a potential scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming that all online jewelry stores are risky. The surprising truth is that Seraphine Jewelry appears to be legitimate. Customers report receiving their orders, and many reviews indicate that the products match the descriptions and photos on the site. You won't believe what happens next. Some buyers mention slower shipping times and occasional packaging issues. While inconvenient, these are not signs of a scam. There are common challenges for online retailers. Payment processing is secure, and the site generally offers standard return and exchange policies. To shop safely, check product reviews, confirm materials and sizes, and read the return policy carefully. Use secure payment methods and avoid sharing unnecessary personal information beyond checkout. In conclusion, Seraphine Jewelry is generally legitimate. While shipping and packaging may vary, the products are authentic and buyers receive what they order. With basic precautions, you can confidently purchase jewelry from this site.